大家好，欢迎你们到这里. Welcome you once again here. Okay, today we are continuing our 900 sentence challenge in Chinese language. Today we are in the 21st sentence. Okay, so the topic on this one, all this what I have been talking on, but we have been talking on what's the topic? Da Zhao Hu, greeting people. Da Zhao Hu. So today we are continuing on expressing gratitude, which is 感谢语安慰安慰. Okay, so the first sentence here is what? 麻烦你了麻烦你了麻烦你了, which means what? Sorry for troubling you, or 麻烦你了, like when someone helped you out, trying to say thank you for helping me, or sorry for troubling you. 麻烦你了麻烦你了. Then the next one is what? 谢谢. 谢谢 means just normal thank you in English. Thank you. Thank you. This 麻烦你了 not just thank you. It's not like when someone gives you something, say thank you. That person really help you out. If someone gives you something, for you to say thank you, you can use 谢谢. But this 麻烦你了, someone helped you to do something. Do you understand? Like maybe that need the person time and all that. So then when you use 麻烦你了, you can use 麻烦你了 whether when the person about to do it or when the person finish doing it. For example, if I need your help, I say 麻烦你了 then 帮我 blah blah, help me to do this 麻烦你了, that is sorry for troubling you. So you can use this whether after the person render the help or before the person will help you out. Then the 23rd the sentence is 非常感谢. 非常感谢, which means thank you very much. 非常感谢. Then 24, 不用谢. 不用 is no need. 用 is what? Need. 不用 is no need. So 不用谢, no need to thank. That is don't mention. You are welcome. 不用谢. Then why the next one is 不客气. 不客气, 不客气. Only 客气 is what? Polite. 客气 is to be polite. That is Polite. Polite. Then 不客气 is no need to be polite. That means you're welcome. That is it's okay, no problem, like that. 不客气, you're welcome. Okay, so that is the 5 sentences we're learning today. See you next time. 下次见，再见。